Here we are again. He's a little bit closer now. We're up by the corner here. Telephone pole close, and cars still going by here. But there's another tree here too. I know. I hope that telephone pole doesn't have our electrical on it. But yeah, I think our electric's over there, so yeah, that's just feeding that one. Sure, the boss wouldn't want to see this. Best thing to do would have called the tow. Call the tow from the get-go. Honey, he doesn't want help. He's going to hit the pole here. He's going to get into this pole. We see we got some neighbors out here. That's putting on a show for us. They're probably mad that I'm recording this, but hell, I just, don't have anything better to do. These guys would be down to help, but dude, I brought 2 shovels over there. He damn near ran me over. I got some cat litter too, but if he wants some help, I got another shovel in here too. Here. I got a bag of cat litter I donate to the cause too, but he didn't want much help. It's like we're gonna dig him out here.